Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do another plan with me video. I'm going to menu plan for the week of March 4th, and I have my essentials. I have my Inkwell Press weekly inserts for my meal plan. This is one of my inserts from the prior week. This is actually the menu plan that I did for last week, so I'll put that right there as a guide. I also have my recipes that I like to use as a reference. And then this is just a blank sheet. I have my pen that I like to use. And as you can see, I haven't even started working on my planner for the month of March. I do have a couple of things going on, but it doesn't affect this week's menu plan, so I didn't put it in. If you are like me and you wait to put things in your planner, let me know. I like to actually put things in a year in advance. I like to plan a year in advance, but for some reason with this Inkwell Press planner, I've been so delicate with it, and it's I don't want to put anything on the front end, even though mentally I do know I have a couple of things going. But we can get started. This week was so out of whack. As you guys know, my son's birthday was actually yesterday, but by the time this video goes up, it would be that his birthday was, a couple of days. But we did not do any of this stuff. So a part of me wants to do something special for his birthday, because I still feel like we really didn't celebrate his birthday. Part of me is continue with the meal plan, and we'll cross that road when we get there. This whole week is out of whack. Today is Thursday, and I have as Thursday doing the stuffed shells. Ironically, I did the stuffed shells on Tuesday. We still haven't had chicken and stuffing, and that's my family's favorite meal. I don't know what's going on with me. I don't know why we haven't had it, and it's one of the easiest meals for me to make because I just season the meat and everything goes in a crock pot. If you are new to my channel, when I am meal planning, I like to bring everything, whatever was not made this week is most likely going on this week's planner. I did what I think I'm actually going to do for dinner tonight, which it is supposed to be the stuffed shells. If I ask the mister if he wants stuffed shells, I actually have one pan already frozen because I made it on Tuesday, I believe. Yeah, I think I made it on Tuesday. So I have one pan already frozen that was supposed to be for Saturday. But now, because everything is all out of whack, my son is over stuffed shells. So what I think I'm going to do for him is I'm going to give him the choice of spaghetti and a burger. I ended up making on Tuesday, and I know someone's like, you made two different meals. I do. I try my best to make stuff that they're going to eat on Tuesday instead of making the chicken and stuffing. Long story short, they've already had the stuffed shells for this week. So what I'm going to do is work on our menu plan. I know what we have. We do need to replenish our food storage. So I know for this week, this is the week of 3. I cannot believe we are already in March. 3/4/19. So my goal, my son gets out of school early on Tuesday. I would like to take him out for lunch because we didn't do anything for his birthday, even though it would be more so as a bonus. But what I'm going to do is chicken and stuffing. I know you guys are like, what in the world, girly? And I'm sorry if the lighting is off. I'm trying to use natural lighting, and I'm not sure if it's my best friend yet or if we are just, acquaintances, because I really can't get it right. It feels like when I do the regular stuff that it's just the natural lighting is just off. So I know I'm going to do chicken and stuffing on Monday, right? So when I do the chicken and stuffing, I don't cook it with anything else. I don't do sides or anything. They just love it the way it is. They just love the chicken and stuffing. So I'm going to do the chicken and stuffing. I am going to do the stuffed shells for Sunday. Oh, you know what? I know the mister likes the stuffed shells, so I have the stuffed shells. I know my son likes the chicken and stuffing, so I have the chicken and stuffing down. I would like to make some chicken wings. We haven't had like, well, I haven't made, they've had it, but I would like to make some type of chicken wings because we didn't do any barbecue chicken this week. I am going to do, I like to do like every other day, not like consistently. So for Tuesday, I want to do a tuna casserole. And then let's see, we are going to do most likely, so we are going to do, and I'm sorry my penmanship sucks, but this is what it is. We're going to do barbecue chicken with the veggies and yellow rice. And then Thursday, I'm out of the Cajun, but I want to do Cajun. So we're going to do a Cajun shrimp and pasta. Just to give you guys an overview, this is what it looks like so far. So I don't like to do chicken all week. I don't like to do seafood all week. I like to mix it up a little bit. And even though like the ground turkey is like chicken, I still kind of consider it like a different meat in a sense. So right now I'm just worried about Friday and Saturday, and most likely they are going to have, I'm just like realizing that I did a whole post already on my blog and it does not match this. So I got to do everything all over, but that's cool. We are going to do for Saturday pancakes. My son, so we are going to do, I'm like fiending for some porridge. So we are going to do, and then for Tuesday, because I know my son's going to be home, we're going to go out for lunch. I've actually been making my son peanut butter and fluff sandwiches. For snacks, we're going to have, this is our menu plan so far. We are going to have chicken and stuffing on Monday. Typically throughout the week, I do not cook breakfast or lunch. On the weekends, I'll cook breakfast and lunch. Saturday, we are most likely going out to eat. But if not, we're gonna just put, so we are going to go out for dinner on Saturday. Everything else is all set. Now we're gonna work on the actual menu plan. Produce, I honestly would like to make tacos one of these days. We do have the stuff to make tacos. I know tacos are usually made on Tuesday. So lettuce, tomato, we are doing the seafood. We have grits. I can make my own Cajun seasoning. Let's see. We need the egg noodles dry. And I think, you know what, I'm gonna do chicken wings again. Barbecue chicken, we have everything. We have the veggies, Cajun shrimp. So based off of this, frozen maybe French fries. So this is it. This is my menu plan for the week. This is the groceries that I need. I was at the grocery store yesterday getting my son's cake. He likes ice cream cake. That's what we typically do for our birthdays. This is my menu plan for the week. So we're having chicken. Then we are going maybe out to lunch on Tuesday. Then we have a tuna casserole for dinner, barbecue chicken, Cajun shrimp. Oh, you know what? I need the Alfredo sauce. Then we have the fried chicken, and then we have the pancakes, shrimp and grits for lunch, out for dinner Saturday, stuffed shells, and then the peanut butter and fluff is what my son has been loving. And we are most likely going to need some more peanut butter as well because I've been making that like every single day. All right, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this video. What is on your menu plan for this week? What is your go-to item to make for your family? I greatly appreciate you guys checking out this video, and I can't wait to chat with you in the comment section.